The Habit Scorecard, introduced in Atomic Habits by James Clear, is a practical tool for identifying and tracking habits in your daily life. It helps individuals become more aware of their behaviors, both positive and negative, by systematically observing and recording them. Start by making a list of all the habits you regularly engage in throughout your day. These can include both positive habits you want to reinforce and negative habits you want to change. Organize your list of habits into different categories based on areas of your life, such as health, work, relationships, leisure, etc. This helps you gain a comprehensive understanding of your habits and their impact on various aspects of your life. Next to each habit on your list, assign a score indicating whether it's a positive, neutral, or negative habit. Positive habits are those that align with your goals and values, while negative habits are those you want to eliminate or reduce. Over the course of a week or longer, track your habits each day using your Habit Scorecard. Keep a journal or use a spreadsheet to record which habits you engage in and their corresponding scores. At the end of the tracking period, review your Habit Scorecard to identify patterns and trends. Pay attention to which habits you engage in most frequently and how they contribute to your overall well-being and productivity. Use the insights from your Habit Scorecard to identify areas where you want to make changes or improvements. Focus on reinforcing positive habits and replacing or eliminating negative ones. Based on your observations, set specific goals for modifying your habits and take action to implement changes. Use strategies such as habit stacking, implementation intentions, and environmental design to support your efforts.